This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about pouches for edibles, specifically these high-level pouches. They come in two colors. We have both the black and the white, and two sizes. So you have lots of nice options for packaging. The first is the 8x6, which has a 2¼ inch gusset on the bottom. The second is the 12¼ by 9, which has a 4-inch gusset on the bottom. So these are in lovely opaque plastic that makes them perfect for discreet packaging of cannabis-infused edibles or medicinal herbs. And they feature a nice child lock to prevent them from being opened by kids. And you can see we have the little lock engaged here, and it's got a little thumb indent that you have to press down and engage in order to get that zipper open to start with. Once it's free, it's easy enough to slide it open and closed again, and the lock can be re-engaged if you're storing them. So they're resealable, which is fantastic because it helps to maintain the quality of your products, meaning that you can eat them at your own ease, at your own pace, without having to worry about them losing their efficacy. The bottom gusset makes them really great for filling and packaging, since it helps them stand up once you get product in there and they're open, which makes them easy to fill. So it's a great little packaging solution if you're looking for something for edibles, whether they are brownies or gummies or cookies or something else, or even just putting together, say, small order packages of herbs in one discrete larger package for your customers that has that lovely little lock in place. So they're easy to fill and seal, and they have great features for both discretion and safety while keeping your product quality, which allows customers to consume at their own pace. That fingerprint button with the pulling zipper tab is a fantastic safety feature. The seal itself features a metallized PET, which prevents oxygen from entering the bags while sealed, and the MOPP film that the bags are made from is durable and tear resistant. So they're perfect for a variety of edibles, no matter what you're packaging up, whether they be cookies, brownies, gummies, or herbs. And they're shipped flat to save space, making them perfect for companies that are making and producing edibles, especially since you have a nice big open area if you need to put any labeling for ingredients or other purposes on them, or simply for dispensaries that are looking for discreet packaging in bags to pack up small items for their customers in.